एक बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट पॉइंट आपके सामने रेज किया गया. So I was busy in the legislation before the Senate of Pakistan. So I would like to join that issue. इसलिए कि ये houses of parliament world over are run and governed by the rules of procedure and business, which are made under the Constitution. This which we have to bear in mind, sir. This was with reference to adjourning the House for a few minutes extra to 60 minutes before passage of 60 minutes. It was adjourned. This was the point which was raised by two learned members, Mr. Khwaja Asif Saab and Mr. Ayaz Sadiq Saab, the former speaker. I would not say anything at my own. I'll take you to two books which run this parliament. The first book is which created this parliament, and it created the rules as well and everything else. Kindly see with me sub-article 2 of article 55 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 73. This article reads, Mr. Speaker, that if at any time during a sitting of the National Assembly, the attention of the person presiding, your attention, sir, was drawn by the honorable members on this issue, is drawn to the fact that less than 1/4 of the total membership of the Assembly is present, which means that 1/4 quorum is not complete. Then, sir, he shall either, there are two options which Constitution gives to the chair and to the Speaker of the National Assembly. Option number 1, I'll read now. Option number 1 says, he shall, Option number 1 says, he shall either adjourn the Assembly. This option was there to adjourn the Assembly. This is an independent, exclusive option. Second is, or suspend the meeting. These were the two options before the Honorable Speaker, or the presiding officer at the moment, who was the Deputy Speaker. Option number 1 was not exercised and it was not chosen. Option number 2 was exercised and that path was chosen by the chair very rightly. Suspend the meeting. Now the third portion, which is significant, and I'll lay much emphasis on the same, this is not an ordinary piece of legislation or the subordinate piece of legislation. This is the Constitution I'm referring to, Mr. Speaker. And the option was, the third option, until at least 1/4 of such membership is present. Until. No time of 60 minutes or 65 minutes or 1 hour or 1.5 hours is given in the Constitution. Absolutely no time. Therefore, the political rhetoric and whatever was the consequence the nation is watching, खुदा का खौफ हमें सबको करना चाहिए. आइन के मुताबिक इसको चलने दें. आइन के नीचे बने हुए रूल्स के मुताबिक हाउस को चलने दें, और किसी की मर्जी और ख्वाहिश के मुताबिक, मैं हूं कोई उधर बैठा हो, कोई किसी जगह और बैठा हो, उसकी ख्वाहिश के मुताबिक, these houses should not be made hostages to anybody's wish list कि मेरी ख्वाहिश ये है, मेरी जरूरत ये है, मेरी सियासत ये है और मेरी लाइफलाइन पॉलिटिक्स की, ये ना करें इन हाउसेस के साथ. Thank you, sir. Yes, everyone included. उसका सबब है कि यहां खौफ का इजहार किया जाता है. कानून आ गया एक से ज्यादा मर्तबा. Mr. Speaker, I'll take 2 minutes.
Order in the House, please. Order in the House, please. Togar साहब, please.
बिल आ गया, कहते हैं ये बिल मत बनाओ. जवाब क्या दिया गया इस हाउस में आपके सामने, पूरी कौम के साथ? जवाब ये है कि कोई फायदा उठा लेगा, कोई का नाम भी नहीं लेते. अगर हम कानून के मुताबिक चलें, अगर हम आइन के मुताबिक चलें, अगर हम रूल्स के मुताबिक एक दूसरे का एहतराम करें, अगर हम स्पीकर का एहतराम करें, अगर स्पीकर के ऊपर आवाज़ा ना कसें, अगर स्पीकर को हम इंटरप्ट ना करें, अगर हम एहतजाज करें उस तरीके से जिस तरह से जिस पार्लियामेंट में से सारी पार्लियामेंट्स बनी है, हाउस ऑफ कॉमन इन इंग्लैंड, तो जो मर्जी बू करे, जो मर्जी अपनी सीट पे खड़ा होकर करे, हम अगर आस्तीने चढ़ा के जुबानें दराज करके और सीने फुला के एक दूसरे की तरफ दौड़ें और अपनी साइड को भी छोड़ के हम दौड़ने के लिए तैयार हों और उसके बाद हम रूल्स का हवाला दें, स्पीकर की चेयर को घेर लें, फिर रूल्स का हवाला दें कि मिस्टर स्पीकर कम फॉर द रेस्क्यू। अब मैं आपको लेके चलता हूं रूल्स में क्या इसकी गुंजाइश है या नहीं है। I'll take your good self and the august house towards that. Kindly, first of all, read with me Rule 5. एक यही है दोनों बुक्स में, आई थिंक इट्स द सेम थिंग। थैंक यू, बट कि उनको दे। सर, आफ्टर पॉइंटिंग आउट ऑफ द कोरम, इफ अंडर क्लॉज 2 ऑफ आर्टिकल 55, रूल स्टार्ट यहीं से होता है कि प्रेसिडेंस सुपीरियरिटी कंट्रोल होगा आर्टिकल 55 का, because this is a subordinate piece of legislation. At any time during a sitting, attention of the chairperson is drawn to the fact that less than 1/4 of the total membership of the assembly is present. He shall either suspend the business of the assembly until at least 1/4 of the such membership is present, or cause the bells to be rung for the 5 minutes. This option was not exercised. Agar the chair takes the decision not to ask the bell to be rung, then what will be the consequence? I go to that escaping clause and the consequence. The bells to be rung for 5 minutes, but no quorum is available even on the resumption of the proceeding after suspension. When the bells stop, he shall adjourn the sitting for the next working day. There are 3 conditions herein mentioned, and I have quoted it before you, sir. The first is that bell has to be rung. In this case, no bells were rung. So what will rule over here? There are juxtaposition, and I juxtapose Article 55 with Rule 5, which is the subordinate piece of legislation, and the precedence will be taken, and superiority has to be mandated to the article of the Constitution, not to the subordinate piece of legislation, which is the rule. So where is the anomaly? What is the illegality? Where is the violation? I take this august house now to another rule, which is the last thing I wanted to say. Rule 288. Kindly see Rule 288. And I read it for the benefit of everybody.
पहले प्रोविजो पढ़ ले प्लीज, रूल 5 की प्रोविजो पढ़ ले।
मैं पढ़ लेता हूं।
जिसको सस्पेंड किया गया है।
You want me to read 5 again?
जी जी
जी।
रूल 5 का प्रोविजो आप रूल 5।
And provided that the suspension of the business of the sitting shall not be for more than 1 hour. इसको मैं डील करता हूं 288 में।
Okay.
288 में. But the first and the foremost important thing is that the timeline is not mentioned. That at what point of time it should be adjourned, for how long in the Constitution. It is in the subordinate legislation which is the rule. Now kindly read with my assistance Rule 288. And I quote, whenever any inconsistency, two important doctrines are given in two words. One is, there's an eventuality when something is inconsistent और डिफिकल्टी, मुश्किल पैदा हो गई. मुल्क चलाने के लिए भी कहा जाता है इसी आइन के अंदर कि अगर कोई डिफिकल्टी या इनकंसिस्टेंसी या कोई एनोमली पैदा हो जाएगी तो फिर क्या क्या होगा. उस सूरत में यह तक आइन के अंदर मौजूद है कि अगर किसी कानून में लिखा हुआ है कि इसकी उम्र 6 महीने है या इसकी जो डॉक्ट्राइन ऑफ लिमिटेशन है दैट एक्सटेंड्स टू सच एंड सच पीरियड एंड सनसेट क्लॉज कम्स एट सच एंड सच पीरियड, तो उसको भी कंडोन इस ग्राउंड पे किया जा सकता है कि इनवैलिडिटी नहीं होगी. That is how the Constitution is futuristic. That is how the Constitution of 73 is organic, because it deals with every eventuality. So the first is inconsistency, which is being pointed out by the other side. If we accept that, then of course the rules have been, after reassumption of the session, the rules have been suspended already. This is one. Second is the difficulty. Where lies the power to do this? Here or there? Answer is no. It lies before the chair, and I go to that now. With the consent of the speaker, any member may move that any rule may be suspended in its application, number one, to a particular motion before the assembly, and if the motion is carried, the rule in question shall, number two, stand so suspended. So no rule is violated by the chair, no rule is violated by the House, no constitutional provision is violated by the speaker or the deputy speaker or the chair, and no violation of the Constitution is done by this August House. उन्होंने ये भी फरमाया, वो होते तो मैं तफसील से बात करता कि हम अदालत में जाएंगे. आप अदालत में अकेले मत जाएं, जिनको अदालतें बुला रही हैं उनको भी लेके जाएं.